What is that?
Poor Freddy Shine and Gregory, how Freddy and Rockstar Freddy. That's why Freddy Shine and Gregory show Freddy was not home. What's this? My head. Finally, I have control again.
EXE Roxy, come in.
Yes,
I need your help at Wasteland. Try possessed Roxanne's other friends. Try Shine, Rockstar Freddy, and Charles.
I'll do my best.
I'm so ready for this. My cards are ready for slicing.
My claws are ready.
There's 2 intruders I want you 4 to capture. These 2, I want you 4 to capture them now.
Yes, sir.
I am sure my robot has everything under control.
How do I disable the bot? What would Rockstar Freddy do? He's at Main Street. I know.
That should do it.
Ouch, that hurt. That was a long drop. Where am I? Freddy, Freddy, where are you? Where is he?